Hi everybody, this is Sonia and welcome to my channel. Today is Sunday, January 20th, 2019, and I want to welcome back all returning viewers. Thank you so much for sticking with me on my crafting journey, and welcome to anybody new that has just found me or that has subscribed recently. I hope that you will continue to follow me on my crafting journey, and welcome. It has been a while since I have been here. It has just been very, very hectic around here. We have started lambing season. I will be having a video out on some of the babies here very soon. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure to be watching for that. We have one more ewe that is to give birth, and so we have 6 babies right now. So it's kind of a fun time of the year around here. But anyway, everything is settling down, and I have been stitching all the way through. Even though I have been absent, I have been stitching. So I want to go ahead and try to get back on track and start doing my Flosstube videos on a regular, consistent basis. So let's go ahead and get started. I just have whips to show. I have one small finish, but I'm not really considering it a finish until I get the other one done, and I will show you that in a minute. Okay, so I'm showing my Monday, Tuesday piece, which is the Saturday evening post. This has been a very fun piece. I have really enjoyed working on this. So that's my Monday, Tuesday, and here is my progress. What I am doing is I am just going down and coming around and going up this way and finishing everything off. I'm just kind of going around in a circle. So that's what I'm doing. This is the other tennis shoe, so that's what I'm working on now. And then I will go up, do his face, and all of that. So that's the progress I've made. I've made good progress. And this is worked on 14 count, I think, cream Aida. So here it is again. Like I said, this is that other foot that I'm doing. You can see it better on here. So this is the foot. I will go up, come around, do his face, come back down, do the boy. And then while I'm up here, I will finish this area and come down. So that's how I'm working it. But very fun piece to work on. So that's the Saturday evening post. The next one is my Wednesday, Thursday piece. And this was from a rack that I'm going to be doing a video on, so that will be coming up as well. And this was in the rack. They're little Christmas stockings, little minis. I have finished this one. I haven't put it in the stocking, but I finished this one, and I'm working on the Santa. Very cute. So here is the little elf. So cute. Love it. And this is worked on 14 count white Aida. And then here is what I've got done of the Santa. So when I do my next video, the Santa will be done. I will probably have the stockings done because they're small. I'm going to go ahead and finish them all off. So there is, here's the elf, and then there would be the snowman. Cute little set. So yeah, you know how you guys know how I like, you know, to work on the smalls in between my large pieces. So, and I guess it came from Cross Stitch Crazy. It has it down there. So, or here it is, Cross Stitch Crazy. Okay, so that is my Wednesday, Thursday piece. Now my Friday, Saturday piece is Mirabilia Raven Queen, and I've really enjoyed working on this too. Now I'm not doing it maybe the way everyone would do, or maybe they would start with her and then come out. I went a little bit on her, and then I decided to go out. It's up here more, but I decided to go out and do this. Do anything attached to her at that point, and then I will continue. It just kind of gives me some different areas to work on, and that keeps it interesting for me, and that's what works for me, so that's what I do. This is worked on 16 count pewter Aida, and I am really enjoying it. And this is where I'm at. So, this is her dress right here. So what I've did is I've left off from that, and anything attached I have been working on. So this right here is the column, and then these are the little spiral, the little points. So that's where I'm at with that. And I will show you this again. So I am on this side where all the there's the column. So anything attached. So that's where I'm at on that. But I'm really loving these big pieces right now. Really, really enjoying them. So that was 16 count pewter Aida. And then my Sunday piece that I only work on one day a week. It's from Forever Yours. Trying to get it where it's not glare. There we go. And it's a holiday decoration. I'm doing exactly what it says, only I'm just going to have joy across here and peace down here. I'm not going to put the other writing on. And I'm almost done with this. So on my next video, I will definitely have this one done as well. So here it is. I have a flower left to do. And then I'm going to put joy here, peace here. And they showed a heart, so I might put a heart or something down just to add a little more to it. And then do back stitching. And then this comes with, it's a kit. So it comes with the frame, and the raffia, which is back here. So I will be putting all of that together as well. So that is all. That's all the whips. That's my 4 whips. 2 of them, the Forever Yours, Joy and Peace, and the Christmas stockings will be done on my next video. They're very close to being done. And like I said, I have really, really enjoyed working on Raven Queen and also the Halloween tricks. They're very fun, very relaxing stitches to do. I'm not really in heavy confetti on Halloween tricks right now, so that kind of makes it nice. So anyway, that is really all that I have for this time. But I want to thank everybody once again for continuing to follow me on my journey. Thank you for your support. Thank you for liking, sharing, commenting. I do enjoy that. I will comment back. It might take me a while, but I do try to get back at some point and answer all the comments. So please continue to leave them. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Take care.